with our first combination. I call it the pop-lock combination. It's a combination of the rib cage and pelvic isolations together. Let's break it down, girls. Feet about hip-width apart, knees bent. Tuck your pelvis under, lift your rib cage tall, roll your shoulders back. Arms up, holding your beach ball, out in second position, and relax the arms down. Let's start with the rib cage. Give me up and down. Try it with me. Up and down. So you remember this from beginner one. It's a basic rib cage isolation. Let's review it, and then we're going to add on more with it. Good. Let's try it a little faster. And up, down. Good. Remember, I only want you to use the muscles in the back and the upper abs. I do not want you to use your shoulders or your arms, just the isolation. Good. You can practice this by relaxing your arms and letting them hang, and focus on just using those muscle groups. It's very small. It doesn't have to be overdone. Isolate. Good. Arms back up in second position. Give me 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Now the pelvis out and in. Give me out and in. Release, tuck in. Good. So you also remember this isolation from beginner one. Now we're going to apply it a little bit more. Good. Keep going. Just a review. Out and in. Good. Release. Let's go a little faster. And out, in, out, in. So notice you're accenting on the out and the in. So it's sharp, sharp, back, back. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Keep it up, keep it up. Excellent. So when we're isolating the pelvis, the rib cage is silent. It doesn't move. And 5 and 6 and 7 and release. We're going to put this together. Try it with me. Lift the chest and down. Release, tuck in. So give me the chest and down, pelvis out and in. Try it with me. Lift and drop, release, tuck in. Again, up and down, release. Make sure when you lift that chest that your pelvis is not moving. Let's try it a little faster. Up, down, out, in. Up, down, out, in. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. Excellent. Remember, it's a very precise, controlled contraction. We call it the pop-lock combo. That way you can learn how to pop and lock in complete control. Good. Keep it up, keep it up. Last 5 and 6. Good. Let's try it a little faster. And up, down, out, in. Up, down, out, in. Good. Very small. Control it. Here's 5 and 6 and 7 and release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Very nice.